heading on the cliff walk here in Hermanus. So we're going to walk along, all the way along the beach and see how it goes. Morning, Anza. Yeah. Sun is coming up. What a beautiful morning. It's winter here in Cape Town. This is a village town, Hermanus, 1.5 hours from Cape Town. Look at that wave. Spectacular.
Before the 1600s, it was mainly inhabited by the Khoi people, and then around 1820, Hermanus Cliff Path discovered the first fountain, and then in 1855, the first sort of plots were set out for people to buy, and the Hen family settles here in Hermanus around 1855.
So the original inhabitants were actually
the Khoi tribe.
And they just keep coming. So this is called the cliff walk, and it's got all these nice little
discover biodiversity boards.
Yeah, and then at the same time you get to just be mesmerized by the sea.
Hypnotic.
Yeah, with all these waves, and hopefully somewhere out there we might even see whales. What goes down must come up.
Quite a rocky shore, not really any beaches.
Yeah, and it's not like Cape Town normally has a lot of sandy beaches. There is a sandy beach right at the end of this walk, near the mouth of the lagoon.
Grotto Beach.
Yeah, Grotto Beach. Hello, bird. So there's a lot of stuff here in Hermanus. This is the old harbour as I come. So there's the old harbour, and this is almost centre of town at the moment. We've just come from that side and you can see all the cliffs. Nice. What's he saying? He says, I'm not happy chappy. Man and the moon. That's what I call it. The sun is about to come up over the mountain. The sea is looking absolutely amazing here. We've got some more sculptures. I mean, this is just an entertaining walk no matter what, whether you like art or not. So cool. Check these out. I mean, that's quite expressive face we've got going there in the morning. This is a big piece of granite, some blue wheelbarrow on it. It's about mining or something. More art. So feast your mind on this or this. And now this sculpture explains how I feel most days, I think. You see, look how beautiful that is.
And the sun is coming up to some mist.
Yeah. You can see the old harbour. It's beautiful. I've swum out of this harbour once and did a triathlon. We swam out there and came back in. It was rather rough. It seems like it's always rough. Anyway, let's get on with this walk. all of these things have been painted with like artworks and stuff. So someone came here and painted something on. So it makes for an interesting little walk. So you can see we've got a bit of a way to go, but look at these beautiful waves rolling in. And we had a little bite to eat on the bench. But this is a great little spot. And these big waves come. Watch this one. Look at this guy. I think we got a big one here, baby. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Going over this little bridge. Lots of different views of the sea, eh? Mm.
Definitely suited the name.
Yeah, it's definitely a cliff walk. Fit for swimming. And I saw earlier the charter boats out that side. There's one over there in the mist. So the whales are probably out that side. We'll have to see. Slowly coming out of the forest. See the sea again. Yeah. Halfway down there to the beach. Sunset in front of us. The Cliff Path. That looks like a nice little swimming spot, Hella. And there was a path down to it as well. I guess one could swim in here. Looks like it, but it's a lot of kelp and you're not going to get a very good swim. Sun. This stage seems to be a little bit further away from the ocean, but it's been pretty picturesque. You can hear the sea, you hear some cars, lots of lovely plants.
This is a viewpoint, and then I think the cliff path continues that way. I'm not sure.
Let's just try down here. The closer we get to the sea, the better. So this was a leper colony in the 1800s or what? 1870.
Yeah, they obviously had a place here where they
Mm. It doesn't look inviting to jump in and have a swim, to be honest. And I don't like all this brown color to the water, but apparently it's coming out of the mouth of the lagoon down there. Lovely hazy day. There we go. Just white everywhere. Love it. Yo. The angry sea. I must say, this morning I was lying in bed and I was thinking, I'm on holiday, why do I need to come and walk on this cliff path and make a video? And then I remembered, you know, Project Lila, it's all about getting out there and doing things, and I feel so great, you know, it's like to be out walking and having a look around here. It's awesome. So like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Remember to hit the thumbs up if it's of any quality, and yes, subscribe. We're on a drive for subscribers. That's what everybody says. No, you must only do it if you love it. Project Leader. Okay, so we keep going.
Yeah.
The nice thing is you can drop off this cliff path anytime. There's so many routes back to the main road. This is quite a nice little beach.
Yep.
A bit rocky, eh?
Yeah, it might be good to do like a nice ocean swim.
Yeah. See the seagulls. Yeah, that's what I said yesterday, but it was looking a bit rough.
Yeah.
It's getting closer to low tide now, you see. Yeah. A beach, finally. I reckon a swim on that one is feasible. You get all these little gems between the bushes and the path. Quite nice. A few steps, well signposted, and there's actually security guys on the route, which is quite interesting. Look at that, beautiful. The other side of the beach. It's a really nice easy walk, you know, a little bit of up and down, but nothing really excessive, and just so beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Let's see what Anza has to say. Enjoying it.
I'm loving it.
Another river flowing through into the sea from the mountains. Surfers out there. So it seems like the cliffs are getting slightly less and there's getting more and more beach. Look how lovely this is. Wow. Woohoo! This looks lovely. Sometimes it's the small things in life.
This lovely area here is called Kammerbar.
Kammerbar.
In Afrikaans means pretend.
Pretend.
Or not real.
Oh, okay, like a almost
No,
magical
you play
place.
Pretend.
Mm.
It's like pretend.
So it's like a pretend area.
Pretend area, but it's a beautiful place.
Yeah, look at it. Let's just have a look at that. Wow, I never even.
Visit Harbour or sunset picnic.
I've been to Hermanus hundreds of times. I've never seen this little beach before.
Quite nice and little way.
Yeah. Gotta mind my head here a bit. Up and down. And then a little window to the sea. And then more walking. We can finally see the end just over there. Look at this beautiful beach. Cliffs, and we're onto the beach.
This is the end of the cliff walk
Yeah.
because there ain't no more cliffs. So it's a good workout. This
It's more like a walkout.
yeah.
There's a restaurant over there. And lovely beach. Found this restaurant called Dutchie's. What did we get? An omelette, some
Cheese,
toast,
another omelette and toast.
and some lovely marmalade. This huge waterfall tumbling down. New buildings coming up. Old buildings going down. Look at these guys. Proteas. Hello, Dussies. So we've had breakfast and we're just beasting our way back along the path to get home, to do something different. But yeah, it's been very nice. Seen a lot of things, lots of interesting things to see along the way. I'd definitely come and do this walk. It's not hard, it's easy. There's lots of interesting things to see, and I think they've made it really interesting as well. There's planetary systems spaced out along the route, you know, all the planets. There are the sculptures at the beginning, which were pretty awesome, and then just all the flowers and the plants along the way. And then of course the sea itself is spectacular. That's it. Till next time. Project Lila.